Neutral nucleophiles gives the positive charge product salt. Nucleophiles and alkyl halide and the and bond breakdown are the bond breakdown between R and X. X is the partially negative charge and R is the partially positive charge, and nucleophile attack in the carbocations. Then the formation of the compounds. This salt is positively charged, and X is living groups. X is living groups. Student, what do you means by living groups? What is living group? What is the definition of living groups? Okay, I will take living groups. In these reactions, the atoms or group of atoms which loss its bond to carbon and takes on the additional pair of electrons is called living group or living group. Clear? In these reactions, the atoms or group of atoms which lost its bond to carbon and takes on the additional pair of electron is called living group. Halides ions are good living groups. Halides ions are good living groups. Halides ions are good living group. Living group ability. Iodine, bromine, chlorine and fluorine. Negative charge, negative. In this reaction, the atoms or group of atoms which lost its bond to carbon and takes on the additional pair of electrons is called living groups. Halides ions are good living groups. Living groups ability: iodine, bromide, chloride and fluoride. The reactivity of haloalkanes is the reactivity of haloalkanes is Ri, Rbr, Rcl and Rf. Decreasing order. Clear?